Did you like the food?
I love the food. That's my favorite food. Yellow dal and rice. I have it every day.
Acha, and why AAP? Why is AAP different
It's
from?
the only choice we have, isn't it? I mean, one party, both parties are so corrupt. There are so many divisive politics, so many riots that have happened. Be it 84 riots, be it 2002 riots, be it Muzaffarnagar riots. It's just evil. These people are evil. They're really bad for the country.
Yeah.
And for the first time, there is an honest option. And I'm telling you, this is fantastic times that we're living in. And
A revolution.
it is a revolution. And these old politicians are so out of it, they don't know what's going on ground level. They're still going on mics and saying, I have a 56-inch chest. Yes, zahar ki kheti, khuni Punjab. That is, nobody gives a damn, you know. Nobody cares what your bus size is, really. Nobody cares.
Yeah.
There is one party that's talking on issues, that is talking about bringing in legislature that will put corrupt ministers. So many scams happen, Chara Gota happened, CW.
It makes you angry.
Did they actually happen or not? Because nobody got caught. So many riots have happened. Nobody got caught. Did those riots actually happen? Did they even happen?
They did. Of course they did.
Who got punished for it?
We.
Yeah, but
Only the public.
none of the guys responsible were, right?
Yeah.
Every day these guys are going and talking about revenge and killing and this and honor and, you know, hate. They give hate speeches. Nothing happens. Somebody complains to the EC and they say, oh, I'm sorry, this is not what I meant. That is all that happens. But it really percolates down to the people and propagating the hatred that has always existed, has been nurtured by these politicians.
Right.
You know, and then everybody comes and says, after the Delhi elections, obviously it's become fashionable to say, hey, we are the only party that can rid you of corruption. Okay, Rahul Gandhi comes and tears this paper and poses with so many, no, we'll bring corruption, anti-corruption laws and all that. He's gone and shook hands with Lalu Prasad Yadav. What is that? BJP says, बहुत हुआ भ्रष्टाचार आपकी बार मोदी सरकार. Then what are you doing with Yediyurappa? What are you doing with Sri Ramulu? If you're serious about corruption, kick these guys out, na? There are 21% criminals in Congress and 38% in BJP, which means almost 4 out of 10 people, 1 out of every 3 people is a criminal.
Yeah.
And some 17% have serious cases, which means rape, murder, land grabbing, dacoity,
Yeah.
and big time corruption, kidnapping. These are the kind of, then there are Snoopgate that happens, there is so many things that happen, yeah. I mean,
Right, but the AAP has been criticized for, leading
AAP
the
will
government.
be criticized. I think that's the best thing they've done.
Yeah.
Quitting is the best thing they've done. If after saying Jan Lokpal and forming the government, if he had stayed chief minister for even one more day without that bill being passed, I would have lost respect for him. And he didn't quit. He said, okay, with 28 seats, I have done this much.
Yeah.
To do more, I don't have the numbers. Let's go back to the people. Give me more seats. Bring me with 35 seats or bring me with 40 seats and then see what I do. But then Congress and BJP didn't let the elections happen. And that was a part of this brilliant big master plan to say, oh, wo bhagoda hai. I think Congress and BJP ran away from that elections. They were so shit scared of facing Arvind Kejriwal sir once again in Delhi polls. They did not have the gumption. They don't have the, I mean, come on.
Okay, we'll come back to Pune right now. Like, what makes Subhash Wari a better candidate than everyone else? Because Anil Shirole is clean, like he doesn't have any criminal record or anything.
See, it's not about more than just a candidate. We are not saying is Modi better or is Rahul Gandhi better. That is stupidity.
Yeah.
We are talking about parties and their ideologies and what they stand for and what they're prepared to do for votes. If BJP is 30th March, Delhi High Court has passed a law, passed a judgment saying both BJP and Congress have been found guilty of accepting illegal foreign funds to the tune of over 20,000 crores. Sorry, 200,000 crores, 180,000 crores, something. Now, there I say, why should I vote for these guys? Where is this money coming from? What is the interest that a foreign company can have in our government and in our elections? How is this money going to be paid back? Why are you not transparent about it? Why should I vote for? You might be clean, but I do not have any faith in the ideology and the practices that you represent. You have given a ticket to Varun Gandhi, who has gone to Pilibhit and said in Katuo ka haath kaat do and stuff like that. Hate speeches are being given. It is ridiculous. It has reached such ludicrousness.
Yeah.
And then the attacks on Arvind Kejriwal, sir. I mean,
Some say it's been staged by the AAP itself.
ask BJP to stage it. Now I volunteer. Ask Congress to stage it. I volunteer to slap them left, right, and center. Let's stage it.
Right.
Why the hell would Arvind Kejriwal stage an auto driver who's supposed to be the biggest support for him to slap him just to show that he doesn't have the support of? Why would he stage that? Too many Hindi films there we watch it. Too many. That's why the 56 inch ka chhati and all that. All these dialogues are coming from there only.
Right.
We are not idiots. Nobody's an idiot. Come on.
So for you, it's आपकी सरकार?
100%. हर बार.
Say la, हर.
मेरे लिए तो आपकी सरकार है हर बार. इस बार ही नहीं. हर बार.
Thank you so much. Now